In my previous video, we discussed the Sigiriya actually has been designed in order to produce the lift force, and that is the reason to build those unique geometrical shapes on the Sigiriya mountain. Therefore, we understood the engineers have specially considered to maintain this particular area as a low air pressure zone as much as possible. And that is the reason to build the entire mountain as a shape of a cross section of aircraft wind, which is known as aerofoil. When this particular area is maintained as low air pressure zone, it has a possibility to absorb air from left side to the right side, and that is the disadvantage, and also that can be considered as the malfunction, because in order to operate entire system as well, the air should flows from right hand side to left hand side, and also that is the idea to create the entire mountain as a shape of the aerofoil. In order to prevent air flows from left side to right side, the engineers have implemented very special geometrical shape at the bottom side of the Sigiriya, and those sectors specially has also designed according to the cross section of the aircraft's wing to produce more low pressure zones than the any other areas of the Sigiriya. Those special shapes produce extremely low pressure air zone around this particular area and absorb air from upward to downward, and that helps to evacuate more air from top part of the Sigiriya mountain. Also that helps to obtain the lift force. So we can see, if we consider the Sigiriya as a flying ship, actually the mountain or the masterpiece of the Sigiriya or the aircraft spreads around wide area. We need to take it count from downward, from the bottom that I'm showing here. So it's a quite large piece. And also the Sigiriya has another special functioning device that's known as the area to construct the palace. That we understood the Sigiriya actually is not designed to construct any palace, obviously, and this is the location which the main palace should be located according to the archaeologist. So what the purpose of those particular area I'm not intending to describe at the moment, but I want you to understand this particular segment represents extremely advanced technology which is related to the anti-gravitational effects. I will describe that it's in another video. Also, we can see there was a small stupa. Actually, the archaeologists have not discovered what is exactly were on this particular place. I have identified, and this is the location that high voltage electrostatic tower was stabilized. or has been built that describes, especially in Ramayana. In order to produce the lift force, those special geometrical shapes require continuous airflow into the directions of the Sigiriya mountain. How they have actually obtained continuous air current flows into the direction of Sigiriya? The answer can be found at the entrance of Sigiriya rock, that is the Lion's Paw. We can see there is a parallel walls at the entrance passage. I have discovered those parallel walls actually represent two parallel electrodes. If you look more closer, those walls has been divided into multiple sections, same as the other side. That represents multiple parallel electrodes. I have discovered those multiple parallel electrodes has been powered by high voltage pulsating controlling system. By providing high voltage, it produces the plasma state between the two parallel electrodes, and also the voltage has been given according to the certain pattern in order to produce the plasma flow into the direction of the Sigiriya mountain. That creates extremely air suction field in front of those two parallel electrodes. Actually, those parallel walls has been done with clay bricks. I have recognized those bricks must be constructed with steels at the previous stage. So those walls actually has been done lately. Therefore, the archaeologists will be able to discover the archaeological evidence at two time periods. And also, it is a popular belief that the lion's paw actually represents an eagle paw rather than the lion paw. I agree with that concept. And also, I have discovered those eagle paws within 4 fingers. It represents the fourth state matter, which is the main power source of the Sigiriya or the Pushpaka Vimana, that is the plasma. And also, those eagle paws has been constructed turning toward the directions of entrance passage to represent its attracting capability. Also, this passage has to be constructed all the way into this direction, so we cannot find those archaeological evidence at the moment. So this is the mechanism which supplies extremely high speed electrostatic airstream into the Sigiriya mountain, dividing those stream into multiple sections in order to sustain lift force on the Sigiriya mountain or the Pushpaka Vimana. My name is Nishanta Mahesh. I am freelance system developer. Thanks for watching. Best wishes.